name is Margaret Salazar, and I'm Director of Oregon Housing and Community Services, or OHCS. Today is an historic day for OHCS and for the state of Oregon, and I'm honored to be here with you today. As many of you know, 2 years ago, OHCS embarked on the creation of a statewide housing plan in an effort to understand Oregon's housing needs and to chart a course toward addressing those needs. Since that time, we have conducted more than 40 outreach sessions all across the state in communities large and small. Our team traveled from Burns to Ontario, to Bend, to Medford, to Eugene, to Coos Bay, to Portland, and everywhere in between. We put a ton of miles on all of those state cars. We met with housing developers, community action agencies, housing authorities, culturally specific service providers, nonprofits, continuums of care, health equity coalitions, coordinated care organizations, early learning hubs, policymakers, business leaders, foundations, and more. And in addition to all of that, we held focus groups with low-income Oregonians whose lives are impacted by the services and programs that OHCS administers. We wanted to make sure that their voices were at the center of our planning process. Throughout the state, we heard a great deal about Oregon's housing needs. We heard about the lack of available, affordable housing. We heard about the substandard housing that many of our rural and agricultural worker families are surviving. We heard about the rising rates of family, rural, and chronic homelessness and the disproportionate impact on communities of color. We heard that some communities lack access to any type of shelter for persons experiencing homelessness. And we learned about the day-to-day struggle of people trying to pay their rent while also paying for basic necessities like food and medicine.